So let's quickly solve for the value of x. 3 to the power of x multiplied by 3 to the power of x multiplied by 3 to the power of x is equal to 15. Okay, recall that when you have a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n, this is equal to, you are going to pick the base since they are the same, and you are going to add the powers m plus n. All right. Okay, so we are going to relate this to what we have here now. Now when you look at this, you can see that we can pick 3 and we can add the powers x plus x plus x will give us 3x is equal to 15. Now at this point, the only option we have is to introduce log to both sides of the equation. So we have log 3 to the power of 3x is equal to log 15. Okay, now when you have log a to the power of b, this is equal to b multiplied by log a. Okay, I would like you to watch to the end because we are going to substitute what we got into the equation to prove that it is correct, and that is the most interesting part of any of my videos, so don't miss that. Okay, so we are going to bring down this power. That means we will have 3x log 3 is equal to log 15. Now let's divide both sides of the equation by log 3. Okay, so divided by log 3 divided by log 3. Now this will divide this, so we are left with 3x, right? So we have 3x is equal to log 15 divided by log 3. Now let's express 15 in terms of 3. Yeah, so we have 3x is equal to log 15 in terms of 3 will be 3 times 5, right? 3 multiplied by 5 divided by log 3. Now when you have log a multiplied by b, okay, this is the same thing as log a plus log b. All right, so that simply means that we can rewrite this as 3x is equal to log 3 plus log 5 divided by log 3. Okay, now this is equal to 3x is equal to log 3 divided by log 3 plus log 5 divided by log 3. Okay, now 3x is equal to, this we divide this to give us 1 plus log 5 divided by log 3. Okay, now I want us to note that when you have let's use this side of the board, sorry. Yeah, when you have log a divided by log b, okay, this is equal to log a base b. Yes, therefore we can now rewrite this as what? 3x is equal to 1 plus, so this is log 5 base 3. Okay, but recall that we are looking for the value of x and not the value of 3x. Therefore we are going to divide through by 3. So when we do that, we have x is equal to 1 plus log 5 base 3, everything divided by 3. Now this is the simplest form of our x. So it's time to substitute it into this particular equation to prove that the answer is correct. Okay, all right. Okay, this is what we got as the value of our x. Now let's substitute it into this place to prove that we are right. Okay, so we have 3 to the power of 1 plus log 5 base 3, everything divided by 3. Okay, so this is base 3. All right, now multiplied by 3 to the power of 1 plus log 5 base 3 divided by 3. Okay, multiplied by 3 to the power of 1 plus log 5. This is long. Oh. There's 3. Everything divided by 3. And this is equal to 15. Okay. Now, we have 3 of this. And we have the same base. So we are going to pick one base. Yes. And we are going to add. When you add the whole of this to this to this, it's going to be 3 multiplied by what? 1 plus log 5 base 3. No, this is not power. Log 5 base 3 divided by 3. All right, is equal to 15. Oh God, I can't wait to this looking so. All right, now this 3, we cancel this 3, right? Yes. And when that happens, we will have 3 to the power of what? 1 plus, I don't know if you can see that, so let me bring my hand down. So we have 3 to the power of 1 plus log 5 base 3. Okay, everything divided by 3. Oh, sorry, we have removed that one already. Yeah, is equal to 15. Now, we are going to apply the law of indices or exponents that states that a to the power of m plus n is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n, right? So let's express this in this way. So we can now write this as 3 to the power of 1 plus multiplied by 3 to the power of log 5 base 3 is equal to 15. Okay, now 3 to the power of 1 is 3 multiplied by, now when you have a to the power of log b base a, okay, once the base you have here and what you have here, once the two bases are the same, then your answer is b. This is equal to b. All right, now we are going to relate this to this. We are going to relate this to this, and when we do that, we have that the whole of this, since this and this are the same thing, we are going to pick 5. Okay, multiply by 5 is equal to 15. So we have 3 times 5 is equal to 15. So we have 15 is equal to 15. So you can see that the answer we got is correct. Thank you so much for watching.